And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Got a little bit of high cloud out there. We have reached our daytime high of 32 degrees. We got there at 3 o'clock this afternoon and we were down to 12 degrees at 4 a.m. this morning. But that's nothing compared to the heat that they're experiencing in parts of Europe. Poland, Austria, Italy, heat everywhere. People are trying to salvage some coolness by jumping into fountains and trying to keep cool. Every lake, river, stream is probably being used in parts of Europe. It's the 7th straight day in parts of Italy, especially in Milan, for 40-degree temperatures. And that's not even factoring in the humidity values. So it's always worse somewhere else. As I said, 32 degrees is where we're at right now, just some high cloud there. The winds are out of the northwest at 11 kilometers per hour. So we have that concern with that cooler air mass potentially aloft to maybe trigger some thunder shower activity. Not officially in the forecast for tonight, but just be aware of that with that high cloud kind of seeping across. We do have areas to the west of the Continental Divide that are in warning criteria for thunderstorm activity. Actually watch criteria right now, but due to change to warning criteria, I'm thinking in the next few hours. And that's for the interior of BC all the way up to Prince George. On this side of the Continental Divide, we've got watches out and you can just see that pop-up cloud, daytime heating just triggering some of that convective activity and the potential for some severe thunderstorm activity all the way from Okotoks up into Grand Prairie. That's the area right now. Of course, this mass of green is the satellite and radar imagery picking up active weather, interpreting the heat as active weather, but the real band of active weather that we're watching is right along the Continental Divide, and it has the potential to skip across into the Calgary area tonight, cause some severe thunderstorm activity there. Forecaster also wants to put late in the day tomorrow, put some cloud cover moving into the Lethbridge area, so just be aware of that because we are expecting another warm day tomorrow, late in the day. Earlier in the day, no problem, should be able to get the parade in, temperatures be fairly decent, but the forecaster does want to loop some activity into southern Alberta later in the day tomorrow. Down east, we've got 18 degrees in St. John's, and we just moved across that quickly, but it's pretty calm average temperatures there. Above average temperatures for much of Western Canada, pretty quiet all in all, except for that active band of weather we talked about right along the Continental Divide. It's cloudy right now in Vancouver, sun and cloud mix in Whitehorse at 21 degrees. A nice day in Yellowknife, 24, and they've had a fair amount of sunshine. Your overnight forecast for East Kootenay, you're looking at 16 degrees tonight, chance of a thunder shower tonight. Tomorrow, also a chance of a thunder shower late in the day, 27 degrees for a daytime high. For the Crow's Nest Pass for tonight, that chance of a thunder shower, so just be aware of that, 12 degrees for a low. Sun and cloud mix tomorrow, 27 degrees for a daytime high. West winds at about 30 kilometers per hour. And for Medicine Hat, clear skies tonight for the most part, 12 degrees for a low, but then late in the day tomorrow, as you hit 34 degrees for your high, there is that potential for some thunder shower activity. And here in Lethbridge, as I said, it's not written in the forecast for tonight, but don't be surprised if you hear a thunder boomer. 15 degrees for a low, daytime high tomorrow of 32 degrees by mid-afternoon. And then, as I said, forecaster does want to put the potential for a thunder shower late in the day tomorrow, but it's not written in stone. We look at sunshine and very nice temperatures as we head toward the rest of the work week, and then even into the weekend, we cool down to slightly below average temperatures. Average for us is 25 degrees for this time of year, so that's not a bad thing to have a few degrees cooler. There's your record temperatures for the next 5 days, and you know, we haven't had too many recent record temperatures, but we have one there that was fairly recent. And as I said, when we get into temperatures tomorrow of 32 degrees, one of the good things is our humidity levels are tapered down. Today it was at 18%. We're expecting low humidity tomorrow as well, so a little more comfortable with less humidity. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone. See you at the parade tomorrow morning.